Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. So we are going to discuss about most active stocks in this particular video and basically which has some momentum also in it. So let's start analyzing some of those stocks which are very much active in the market. Starting with the first stock, which is SHOP or Shopify Inc. And what I'm talking about is a weekly chart, and you can clearly see that there is a breakout which is happening right now. And this is very important because the stock has gone through a lots of correction and consolidation, and then what we can see over here is a breakout, but we want confirmation. So breakout has already happened above 72.50, and now what we want from the stock to sustain trade and sustain above 72.50. That's the least we want, and if it started trading below 70 again, it will be a problem. So what we want from SHOP stock is its sustainability both above 70 and most specifically above 72.50. And because it is doing so, because SHOP is now trading at or above 72.50 or more, what has actually opened up, obviously it will take a couple of months or rather years depending upon how fast or how slow the stock is going to move. What we have beyond 72.50 is our target starting with 150, but it will expand up to 166, which may also extend up to $180. So basically, because there is a breakout that has happened above 70 to 50, this highlighted section is now active for SHOP stock, which one should look at. But try not to go below $70, otherwise, it will be a problem again. The next stock in this list is ROKU. Now, if you do look at the price chart of ROKU or Roku Inc., you can clearly see the similar kind of price action where the stock is actually breaking out from the lower end of the range, and also there is a range breakout kind of thing or price breakout, similar kind of pattern what we have seen in SHOP stock. And because the breakout has already happened, now we want sustainability from ROKU stock both above 96.30 and most specifically above 98.50, because that's the level above which the breakout happens. And obviously, if ROKU started trading below 96 or less, you will see the resumption of the downside, and we want this stock to continue to trade and sustain above 98.50 or more. And because it is doing so, and if it will continue to do so in the next couple of months or years, what has actually opened up for ROKU stock is your previous target or the levels that the stock has recently visited in 2021 is 490 or in between 490 and $500. So basically, this highlighted section is now active for ROKU. So these are some very good indications from the market, but we want sustainability apart from breakout as well. The third stock in this list is AFRM. So when we do talk about Affirm Holdings or AFRM stock, so you can clearly see that momentum is building as far as AFRM stock is concerned. This is exactly not a breakout, but the stock has already given you multiple breakouts, and the momentum is actually building. In case of AFRM stock, the levels above which the major breakout happened was, it has already happened. So the major breakout happened above 23.35, and then the fresh breakout happened above $26. Now what we want from AFRM stock is sustainability at or above $26, and if it started trading below $23, you may see a downside which will start again. So please don't go below 23, and what we want from AFRM stock is its sustainability above $26. That's the most important thing. Now we are going to segregate this up move into two parts. First, because the stock and the momentum is building in AFRM, the two immediate targets will be 41.65 and $53. But if it surpasses 53 and more, what one can see in the upcoming months and years are levels which may expand up to 84 and then $160. But this is not we are going to looking at right now. What we do looking at right now is this narrow range. Once the stock cross 53, then we will go for 85, and only after 85 we will go for the big one, or we will go for $160 as far as the upper end of the range is concerned. And this is something which we're gonna look at as far as AFRM stock or a firm holding INC. Now the next stock in this list will be Crown Castle, okay, or CCI. So this is something which we're going to look at, and this is the overall price chart which we can see clearly. And when we are looking at the price chart of CCI, you can clearly see that a bounce back has recently started after such a big fall, right? So this is what we can see as far as Crown Castle International or CCI stock. Now if you observe this chart closely, what we're going to see over here is this particular stock is actually moving out from a downtrending price action, right? So this is very much visible as far as the price chart is concerned. So let's go to the daily chart rather than looking at the weekly chart. We will get much more clarity over here. So for CCI stock, here we are. These are the two most important levels, and one is crossed, another or both of them has already been crossed. So there is a range breakout, or CCI is now moving out from a downtrending range. What we want from a Crown Castle International or CCI stock is its sustainability at or above 102, because that's the level above which breakout happens. And we also want a sustainability now above 106. And if only CCI stock continues to trade and sustain above 106 or more, what we can see in the upcoming sessions are targets starting with 119, then we have 138, we have 153, and also the stock can expand somewhere in between 180 and here we are 180 and $200 in the next couple of months or years. So this is something which is happening as far as CCI stock is concerned. And in all these four stocks, one thing is very common, and that is either the stock is breaking out from a downtrending range, or the stock has already given you a price breakout. Also, there are momentum which has been increased and which is also increasing right now. So the thing is, stock does indicate some sort of some sort of uptrending momentum, and it is trying to it's trying to move out, or it's trying to, from its corrective zone, it's trying to move out and started showing momentum on the upside, which is a very good thing. So overall, everything looks fine as far as all four stocks are concerned, and it also indicate the sentiment of the market, which one should think about. Obviously not for the long term, but all for the short and the intermediate term. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.